Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Writer's Workshop. There's some materials you're going to need, so let's look and see what they are. You are going to need your timer set for 15 minutes, a pencil, crayons, this writing paper that you started yesterday, and your green Fix-It-Up checklist. If you don't have those items in front of you right now, pause the video and get them. Good job. Now the first thing I need you to do is I need you to set your timer for 15 minutes. Go ahead and set it and get it started. Pause the video while you do that. You were really quick. Okay, let's look. Yesterday we talked about we had to think and decide what our favorite ocean animal was. So in our sample here, after we made those decisions, we then had to write our opinion statement. And an opinion statement looks like this: dogs make good pets. Now that we have our opinion statement, we need to work on the next part, which is our reasons. The reasons they gave here for having a dog was they love to play and fetch balls. Dogs are very smart. So let's look at Ms. White's sample with the donut. My opinion statement was I would like to eat a donut with icing. And now I need to add my reasons, or my reason. And I put down donuts are good. Now I'm all done. Donuts are good. I'm all done. And it's your turn to write your reason. So I want you to look at your paper and I want you to write your next sentence. Remember to use all of the things on your Fix-It-Up checklist and start with a capital, your spaces, and try to have those words with blends and digraphs. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Welcome back. Boys and girls, if you have some time left on your timer, I want you to take time to color in your pictures. Do a really neat job, because even though you can't add more details, you can color with details. So pause the video and go ahead and do that now. All right, boys and girls, great job with your coloring. You are all done with your writing for today, so you can stop. You can turn your timer off. Put all your supplies away, and remember to put your writing paper in your work folder on the work in progress, because you'll continue working on it tomorrow.